Watch till the
Corruption is
end.
not bad. Corruption is only bad if I'm not involved.
Yes.
But if I'm part of that corruption, I'll defend it.
We bring in the studio this morning one of the gay rights activists, Mr. Should I call you Mr? Sure. Pepe Julian Onziema. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for
Good morning.
Morning to you.
Why are you gay?
In my clan, if we find you introducing a man to another man, mama.
Are you a male or female?
An email.
An email.
Email, yes.
Can you marry a woman that earns more than you?
I will never do such a thing.
So you cannot marry a woman that earns more than you?
No, my lord.
You hate me, I hate you. You love me, I love you. Bring me flowers, I will deliver flowers. Huh? Look for me, I will look for you under your bed. Period.
What is your gender? My gender? I'm a mechanic.